Enjoy this 10-minute seated gentle yoga practice filmed on a beautiful beach in the Maldives, in the middle of the Indian Ocean. I made this class for you, so enjoy. Modify any poses if you need, if there's any discomfort. We'll begin sitting cross-legged. If you need a cushion to help you sit taller, you can do that. For chair yoga adaptions, enjoy my other classes. For this class, I'll just show the postures without a chair. We're going to close the eyes and start with some meditation by deepening the breath to begin. So sit tall, start to relax into this moment, breathing in and breathing out. Let the eyes close, settle in, make any adjustments you need so you're comfortable, and then continue just being here briefly to get centered. Breathing in and out through the nose, and just feeling the body and enjoying this moment, watching the breath in and out. Joining the palms to prayer pose, the eyes closed, focusing at the heart. Join in with me if you like, chanting the sacred sound Om. Inhaling. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murtaye Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaya Tejase Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The Guru, the teacher inside of you, the inner self, the true teacher is auspiciousness, united in truth, knowledge, and bliss. Salutation to the one beyond the worlds, peaceful, independent, and radiant. Om, peace, 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 peace. Taking another moment with the eyes closed, checking in if you have any goal or intention for your yoga practice today. That could be to move the body, to relax the mind, to get energy. Just see if there's anything specific you want to create in your practice and bring that to your awareness. And then we're going to start our warm-ups by bringing the palms back to prayer if you lower the hands for sacred circles. We're going to inhale and stretch the arms up. As you exhale, draw a big circle around you, lowering. Go at your own pace, inhaling the arms up, exhale around. Do 3 to 5 rounds at your own pace. Try to move with breath and enjoy. then we'll reverse the movement, reverse sacred circles by bringing the arms down, inhaling the arms up, and then exhale, palms to prayer. Inhaling the arms down and around and up, a big circle. Exhale, prayer. Repeat on your own several times, enjoying the connection of your breath to the body. We're just warming up our shoulders and our body, so go gentle. When you're done, move the head side to side, neck rotations. Inhale when the head is center, exhale when you rotate. Try that several times, just unwinding tensions in the neck as you breathe. And then pause after a few rounds of neck rotations and observe the neck. Then we'll lower the left ear to left shoulder, bringing the right hand out on the ground for a neck stretch. You can lightly touch the head with your right hand to deepen the stretch if you like, and breathe. This same practice can be done in a chair. And then you'll switch sides. Just take a breath or two each side, longer if you like, enjoying the opening of the neck as you breathe. When you're done, pause, observe the neck, and then stretch the arms out wide. Really extend through the fingers and rotate the palms skyward, arms like a T shape. Hold and breathe. Extend, and then we're going to take the hands behind, lift the heart for a gentle upper back bend, and then release. And now you can switch the cross of the legs. We're going to reach the arms up and exhale, fold forward in a forward bend. This is easy pose Sukhasana with a forward fold. If that's not comfortable on your back, just stay upright. When you come out, pause and observe, and then we'll repeat. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold. Hold a few breaths or longer if you like. Try to relax the neck, relax the shoulders. When you come up, pause and observe. Now for a gentle twist. Inhale, one arm up. Exhale, take it to the opposite leg as you turn the spine gently from the navel. You'll repeat on the second side. You inhale, one arm up. Exhale, take it to the opposite leg. Take a breath or two. We're just still warming up gently, so you don't have to hold too long. Just to move the joints and enjoy the breath. When you're done, pause and observe and relax the back. Then we'll interlock the fingers, stretch the arms up to the sky, enjoying some length to the arms. Release on exhale, and then hold the shins for spinal flex. We're going to rock the pelvis forward and back, moving the spine. When you rock the pelvis forward, inhale, the heart lifts. Exhale, navel to spine when you go back. Try that several times on your own, and you can do the same practice from sitting on the heels. You may want to try both. Spinal flex. Inhale forward, exhale back. When you feel complete with that, pause in, if you're sitting on the heels, it's called the rock, Vajrasana, or cross-legged, and observe the spine. Notice how that can bring some energy to the body, prevent and ease back tensions as well. Now stretch the arms up. Exhale, bring the palms to the center of chest. Let the eyes closed and just pause and observe the breath, focusing around the heart. For a 10-minute short but sweet meditation and gentle yoga practice, that could be your practice for the day. If you want to continue, stay here and watch the breath in a meditation, or enjoy other videos and classes for more standing and active practices. Have a great day. Namaste.